everybody go. But people, no one joke to that, respect the man. Heart and love, man. I invite the people and get bloody, man. And you are speaker, man. Shake hand, father, man. Everybody go home to father, man. Big up on yourself, father. Yeah. And some politicians coming and praise the people.
Everything I eat, I Mississippi this. Mississippi from Westmoreland, and everything I get to Jamaica, I get nothing. A BTR, where's the BTR? BTR team alone can make me look good on it. We get internet, we get everything I eat BTR. Everything I eat, big up on yourself. 6% I eat.
Yeah, I'll do the best.
Every day, and nothing from no minister of the parliament. It has been Barrow Foundation, DTR Foundation that turned up in a Sydney Crescent and showed people that make everybody feel good and live with a smile on their face. Food and water, clothes and everything for kids. We don't see no member of parliament. None, neither the Greens nor the Irish. None of them we don't see. And we really appreciate when you come on and go and do for each and every one of us. You see me? In a real life. And when I really need the help, anybody see this, I can. Any little thing when you can donate, you are seeing the percent, Westmoreland. We're not going to be biased.
We are here out. We are here out.
Look at all the people there, look.
All the
people there, Boston, look.
DTR Foundation out.
Big up DTR Foundation straight. Straight, one DTR Foundation. Them come on and come do it. Ali and Pete, big up on yourself. We appreciate all the love, all the support, all the blessings. Little is much when God is in it. Respect to all the team, DTR. Big up on yourself.
Blessed love.
Respect all right there. You hear that?
Blessed love.
No joke, you know, see no other people come by here. No other people.
Heart and love.
Use the barrel too. Big up on yourself man all the time and salute DTR Foundation. Yeah.
One love.
Everybody have a smile for them. Everybody feel good.